Hi, I'm Andy Thompson, Mobile Valeting, and today I'm going to show you how to wash this Mercedes with V-TUF Pressure Wash and V-TUF Vax. The first job I'm going to do is hoover it out. Right, I'll start with taking the mats out, first thing I do. And the next bit is clean the mats on the carpet with this bad boy. Right, so my next job will be to TFR the wheels. I put TFR on these as you can use brake cleaner, brake dust remover and all that, but this is a new car, so we don't need to do that with this one. And then I will shampoo all the car all over the bodywork, and then we'll snow foam it and pressure wash it, dry it off and polish it. Right, so the next job I will go over the car now with V-TUF shampoo to soften all the soil or grit what's on, and then I will put snow foam on. Right, I'll dry the car off now with one of these towels, and it'll be ready for polishing then. So the next thing to do is to clean the dashboard, the seats and the door cards.
I didn't even know you were coming.
Did you not? Hey, you've got special treatment on this now, you? You have? The finishing touch, one of my own air fresheners.